guys, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and sis. Ugh, stop saying sis. I'm trying to make this whole video without saying sis. Can she do it? You know she can. All right, let's go. Hey guys, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today with a new series. We've made it, you guys, to the end of 2020. It has been a rough year, so this series is a December to remember. And girl, I'm going to be bringing you all kind of goodness. We're going to do wig reviews, tutorials, try-on hauls, all kind of different things. We're going to just slam it all into this month and make this a December to remember. First up, Bobbi Boss, Raela. You ready? Oh, hold on, girl. Got her in 2 colors. So we're going to check her out in OL1B30 and TF1BL Mocha. I've never tried either one of these colors. So let's get them on and see what we're working with. You ready? Let's go. Okay, sis, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Hold on, gotta get my mic on because y'all got to hear what I got to say about this. Okay. What happened was this first color, as y'all could tell from my face, I was not feeling it at all. I was like, this look kind of skunkish. I don't like I'm not gonna buy hair with gray hair in it, because I have gray hair, so in that part. But the other thing is, this thing tangles. Look at that. Just trying to run my fingers through it. And what happened was my brush got caught on one of these tangles. And when I was like brushing through it, this happened. Like it literally, right at the seam of where the weft is, it literally just ripped the whole thing apart. So yeah, so I'm not very happy about that at all. I think this wig was trying to like pay me back because she knew I wasn't feeling her because of her color. See, look at that. It looked like they just plopped some color right on the top of a 1B. That's what it looked like. Because see, the color isn't underneath the wig. It's all just plopped on top. And the color blend, I mean, what is really going on here? And look at like the hair, the texture of this hair. It's definitely silky because it ain't really no yak in it. It's more silky. And every time, I mean, it just sheds and sheds and tangles and sheds. I'm so very disappointed. Okay, so first of all, this wig is Mlf573 Raela. Okay, this is her stock card. And the first one was in the color, this Nest was in the color TF1B/L Mocha. I don't know what the L stands for, maybe light mocha, I don't know. But it says that it is a soft series wave, sleek texture with volume, 4.5-inch deep lace part. That's how far back that part go. She is heat safe. Well, you know Bobbi Boss usually don't give us no degree. Yeah, it just says premium high heat fibers, safe heat styling. And it says that it is an HD lace. Okay, y'all, this wig like feels feather thin. Like there's no real thickness to it. Like when you touch the back, you can like feel the wefts in it. It's not very like thick in the back. I don't know. And then up here is a bunch of filler hairs. All through here is filler hairs. And look at that hairline. She thick. So you can pluck it if you want. You're gonna be plucking till Jesus come back. So I would say this. She is kind of a glam wig, but she would be glam if your husband came in and said, hey babe, we got a holiday party. And you'd be like, okay, what day is it? And he'd be like, in 2 hours. What? This you could like throw on your head, go to the holiday party. If it's one of those kind of parties like with a bunch of Karens, probably gonna be like, oh, wasn't your hair short the other day? Like, your hair grows so fast. I have another African-American friend and her hair grows that fast too. I mean, you guys, your hair grows really fast. You will get that. But if you go to the party with Denise and them, they gonna be like, that's cute, where you get that wig? Because you're gonna be clocked. You're gonna be clocked. Just throw your little makeup on the front here. Throw you a little makeup in a parting space. I did like tint this one with the Eben spray. And then as you saw, I touched it up in the front with my brush. So yeah, you know, choose it based on the type of party you're going to, sis. But she is very silky. She sheds, she tangles, and I'm not happy one little bit. Not one. I would definitely, me personally, I wouldn't buy it again. It's very, very light. Here's the color of the lace. It's very, very light. And this lace is like really stretchable. It's thin. And the wig just feels really light. So it is a very light wig. So, I mean, it's not all cons. It just looks wiggy to me. I expect more out of Bobbi Boss, especially with Outre killing it the way they killing it. I would have thought that I would have gotten more from a Bobbi Boss wig. So for me, I mean, it's a look. Yes, it's a look. Yes, it is very beginner friendly. You just cut the lace, tint your lace, or you can just touch your lace up with your foundation and you'll be fine. If you don't like filler hairs, don't buy this wig because it's got a crap load of filler hairs up here and it is not big head friendly. Y'all know Bobbi Boss don't usually make big head friendly wigs too often. This is definitely not big head friendly. No, no, no. So I'm sorry to be sounding like such a downer, but I'm not happy about this wig one little bit. But is she a look? Yeah, she'll look. She'll look. Put her on, be cute. But yeah, this hairline, wiggy. Wiggy, 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 wiggy. All right, y'all, I ain't got nothing else to say. I'm so upset. But anyway, all right, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all something else. This definitely gonna be a December to remember. But we ain't going out like this with that. No, ma'am. Ain't gonna happen. But am I cute? It is cute, girl. I ain't gonna lie, it's cute, but it's wiggy. All right, I love y'all. See you on the next video, sis. I knew I wasn't gonna make it the whole video without saying sis. I knew it. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna try on the next video. Dang. All right, y'all. Have a blessed day. I love you to pieces. And remember what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.